Hey, is your Google account hacked and don't know how to retrieve it? Then you have come at the right place. I am Subhomoy, and today in this video I will show you exactly two ways through which you can reactivate your account. So let's get started. First thing first, how do you even know if your Google account is hacked? Watch out for these signs. You can't log in even with the correct password. You receive password change emails you didn't request. Your contacts say they are getting weird emails from you, or you notice unfamiliar activity in your account. If any of these sounds familiar, then there is a chance that your account has been hacked. So let's get your account back right now. As I have said, there are two ways to get your account back. First is with your recovery email ID, and second is your registered phone number. So let's view the first option, that is recovery email ID. First, open up your browser and enter this link. I have given this link in the video description. Then enter your email that you want to retrieve. In my case, this one email ID I am using. Then click on the next button. Here Google will ask you for the password. If you remember it, then it's okay. Or else you can enter your last remembered password. And if you don't want to enter your password, then you can click on try another way. Over here they will send a verification code to your recovery email. So have that email handy with you, and once you have that email ID, open it and you will see a verification mail from Google. Enter your verification code and then click on next. I insist you update your password here and provide a new password, and then you can successfully log into your account. This is the first way through which you can recover your account using recovery email. Next, I will be showing you how to recover using your phone number. Enter the same email ID in the browser, and again similarly enter the email ID you want to recover. Then, as I said, if you have the password, then enter it, or else you can leave it, or else you can click on try another way. Over here they have shared an email. If you don't have access to your recovery email ID, then you can again click on try another way. Over here they will send you a verification code in your registered phone number. Make sure you have this phone number handy with you. From this drop down, click on the country you are from. Like I am from India, and over here I am entering my registered mobile number. Then click on send. After clicking on send, Google will send you a verification code in your registered mobile number. So all you have to do is enter the code over here and click on next. Again you will be asked to update your password over here. So I insist you please change your password as soon as you get this option. You can choose your password or create your password from this link below. This link also I will be sharing with you in the description. If you can scroll down and you can click over here as a password generator. You can open this tool and you will have a bunch of options. You can generate passwords randomly by clicking the generate button. You can see the strength over here, and also you can have bunch of other options like whether you want to include uppercase or lowercase, special characters, or anything. Based on your selections, your password will be generated. I insist you keep all the checkbox pre-filled and click on generate, and then you can choose any password based on the strength. This is just optional. You can choose your own password, or else you can use this link and generate your password. Once you change your password, then head over to this URL. This is the my account URL of your Google, and click on the left hand side button, that is security and sign in. Over here make sure you have enabled two-step verification. Okay, by enabling two-step verification, it is almost 99.99% secure. Your account will never get hacked. Okay, so you can do by having all these four options. I prefer to use Authenticator. There is an app in the Play Store, Authenticator. You can download it and you can sign in. This Authenticator setup video I will share with you in another video. And that's it guys. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. It really helps a lot. If you find this video useful, then please share it to your friends and family. We'll see you in another video. Thanks. Bye-bye.